Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, and yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A. And use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. The alphabets of J. And use red color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S. The alphabets of S. And use yellow color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for vine. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Okay, so now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. And use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last we draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.